Guys, this is Arjun from Mumbai. I am going to do an alcohol test on Kangen water and in normal water, whether it is tap water, RO water, filter water or bottled water. So let's remember, I'm going to do two tests. The first is ORP, that means oxidation reduction potential. If it is minus, it is good. If it is plus, it is bad. So I repeat, minus is good, minus reading is good, and the plus reading is bad. Plus oxidizes you, and minus makes you young. It's antioxidant. So I have this alcohol. This is called whiskey from India. Okay. So its name is Royal Stag. There is nothing royal in this, by the way. So I am not promoting alcohol with this taste basically. I'm just creating awareness. Okay, guys. So I'm taking this alcohol over here. This is whiskey. I'm taking in one glass. Okay, and the same whiskey I'm taking in another glass. Alright, so this is Royal Stag. Okay, so here I keep the bottle up there, then I pour over here the normal water, tap, bottle or any water except Kangen, no Kangen water. So I am putting in this and pouring in this. Just focus over here. Okay, and I am pouring Kangen water 9.5 pH in another glass. Alright, so this is Kangen 9.5. So let's see the ORP. Now this is ORP meter. I'm gonna put it on. If there is no minus sign, it is plus. Okay, it is designed that way. So I'm putting it on. So now it is plus 75. Can you see? Plus 75. So I am putting it in normal whiskey in normal water. So it is plus. It is plus 73. Okay, it is oxidizing. It oxidizes you. And the same thing I am doing it in Kangen water. So now Kangen water is showing you around minus 700. You got it? Around minus 700. So again I will do it over here. It is decreasing and started plus. So it is going. Actually, alcohol goes beyond 200 and more. And again, I am putting it on Kangen water. It is minus. Now, Kangen water converts alcohol into antioxidant drink basically. Okay. So with Kangen, it is not harmful. With local water is very harmful, like bottled water, RO or distilled water or any other water. Thank you guys. Now, secondly, I have this pH chart over here. Alright, let me show you. I'm going to do another test. That's called pH. This is pH chart. Now the alcohol is highly acidic. What we are drink is an acid, not alkaline. Okay, alkaline is healthy, acidic is bad. Alright, now color. We have both the color over here, Kangen water and the normal water. I will do the test with pH drops. pH stands for potential hydrogen. The water should have active hydrogen, then only it will work as an antioxidant. Thank you guys. So I am dropping few drops in the alcohol. So this is without Kangen water, it became more darker, right? Without Kangen water, it became more red. Absolute acid you are drinking. Okay, and here is Kangen water. I'm putting few drops. Now the Kangen water, it converted into almost blue. It converted into alkaline. Okay, so this is not for alcohol promoting. This is for awareness. So God bless you. Happy drinking in Kangen water. Thank you very much.